Lower oil prices will be a positive for global economic growth in 2015, according to Moody's Investors Service, but some countries will be able to accommodate them better than others. I'm joined by Mauro Leos, Senior Sovereign Analyst at Moody's. Mauro, which countries in particular are most likely to have difficulty accommodating lower oil prices?
Well, oil-producing countries that are big spenders, those are the ones that are going to have more of a problem. The two names that come to mind are Russia, on the one hand, in Europe, and Venezuela in Latin America. Both were having already problems before this, and with the low prices, they're going to be pressures on the fiscal accounts. So they're going to be, having a hard time.
Yes, well, and at what levels would these concerns become even more serious should oil continue to fall?
Well, even if oil prices stay as they are right now, about $60, that's already a big problem for those countries. Actually, for most oil-producing countries that are in Latin America, and some of those in Asia as well. So if you take them even lower, that would be more of a problem. But at 60, they're having a hard time.
So what is Moody's oil price forecast for 2015?
Well, it's really difficult to come up with a precise forecast. We had a baseline of $80, but we came up with an alternative scenario of $60. The thing is that the way things are right now, current prices are more in line with this alternative scenario, which is what we're seeing, and that's causing the problems to everyone.
Well, and of course, in terms of countries that are best positioned, one automatically thinks oil importers. But which oil importers are best positioned in this environment?
Well, in terms of the winners, you have all the industrial economies. Because even though they may be producing oil, net they import oil, so they will benefit. If you think of the emerging economies, the two that come to mind are Indonesia and India. That is because they import oil and also they provide important subsidies. So with lower oil prices, subsidy will be lower, so that will help in their fiscal accounts. And also inflation was high, so inflation now will be lower. So they will benefit a lot.
And what about right here in the U.S.?
Well, it depends on where you are and what's your activity. If you were part of the oil boom, you're going to be hurt. On the other hand, if you're a consumer, and we all are, that means that the prices that you're going to be paying for gasoline is going to be lower. That means that you will have more money to spend on something else. So overall, for the economy, for the U.S., it's positive.
Yes. All right. Well, thank you so much, Mauro Leos, Senior Sovereign Analyst at Moody's.
Thank you.
And I'm Brittany Umar for TheStreet.